Hi, I'm just going to show you how to reset the oil light and the service light on this Audi A1. This is a 2013 model. So what you need to do is you need to come over to this panel here and press car. By doing that, it will bring you up these options up here. You use the scroll wheel to move up and down, go to settings and checks, service intervals. This will tell you when it's due on the next ones, and you scroll down and you've got reset oil change interval. Here you can reset the oil service light. If you have the service required light on there, the only way you can do that is with an actual diagnostics. So you need to plug it in and do it manually with the actual diagnostics yourself. It can't be done via the car. So unfortunately, sorry for that one. I made this video because I tried to do the same, as all the videos tell you the same thing, but you do need a diagnostic. This was like £1,000, so if you have that, great. I'm sure there's some cheaper options out there that you can go and buy. If you're keeping the car and you're going to be doing it more regularly, you might as well just buy one anyway for like £100 or something. See what one's good. But that's it. Sorry I couldn't have been any more help. Cheers.